Latex and lube go hand in hand, and that's why the body produces it naturally. However, there are times when the body doesn't produce enough. That includes when you're having sex with parts that don't produce lubrication naturally, like rectums. When menopause means that vaginas are drier and more prone to tearing. After you've just given birth or are breastfeeding, or if you've just had gender affirming surgery and your body is not producing lubrication naturally yet. There are three main kinds of lube: water-based, oil-based, and silicone. Oil-based lubes should never be considered if you're using latex condoms. This includes canola oil, body butter, olive oil, coconut oil, lard shortening, and anything petroleum-based like Vaseline. If you're worried about using something that's safe with latex though, all you have to do is go for either water-based or silicone. Water-based lubes are sort of the go-to for latex products. Water-based lube is easy to find, it makes no mess. The downside is that it has to be reapplied much more frequently, and it can kind of get tacky as your body absorbs the water. Do you need something thicker? You can also get something called silicone. So the silicone lubes are generally safe with latex. Just read the label to be sure. And you may find that you don't have to apply that as often. However, some people may not like what it does to their sheets and clothes, depending on your situation. And keep in mind that silicone lube cannot be used with silicone toys. For some reason, the toy thinks it's lube, the lube thinks it's toy, and it just ends up a sticky mess. So if you're planning to use silicone toys, go with water-based lube, unless you're hoping to ruin your toys and buy new. Don't worry, there are so many different lubes out there. If you want an organic lube, you can find that. You can also get flavored lubes for oral activities. And you can also get numbing lubes and warming lubes if you feel the need to numb or warm different parts of your body. Our word of warning though, apply these types of lubes very sparingly until you know the effect on your body and your partner's body. Ultimately, you don't want to break the mood by having to run off and shower. So if you're sensitive at the best of times, be careful when test driving new lubes. If you're using a numbing lube, use extra caution. Some people will try this for anal activities because they think it'll make it feel less painful. Ultimately, pain is your body's way of saying something's not working for you at this point in time. So don't use numbing lube to try something that you normally wouldn't try. Desensitizing lubes can be helpful if you're experiencing premature ejaculation. However, make sure that in this case you're using a condom because you don't want that to affect your partner. And of course, please be careful. Numbing lubes are going to kill sensation, which is bad because sex is about sensation. But also you're not going to know if you're doing any harm to your body. Listen to your body. If it's telling you something hurts, don't use a numbing lube to try to get past that hurt. In the end, lube is all about personal preference and what's going to work for your safer barriers like condoms and dams. Use them all carefully and experiment and find one that works for you and your partner. If you continue to have any kind of pain or discomfort that's not relieved by using a little extra lube, go talk to your healthcare provider and see if there's anything else that can be done. So stay safe and have fun.